back, friends. We have studied electron volt. Again, it is energy stored in a system of two charges. Now it is 2.83. We are going to discuss. It is potential energy. By the dipole in an external electric field. It is an external electric field. External electric field is always created by charges, location and the charge. Electric field depends on space, point to point it changes. So external electric field is produced by charges. Suppose that this is uniform electric field. E is always shown by this parallel lines. Uniform electric field is always shown by these parallel lines. Now how this field is produced? Let us see. Here is one positive plate. Here is one negative plate. And then field lines are going from. So these plates are not shown in this diagram. But actually this uniform electric field is produced by these plates. Now dipole we all know. It consists plus 2 charge. It consists minus 2 charge. Then again, suppose that this is O, this is A, this is B, it is L. And dipole moment P is always given by 2L3. Unit of this one is coulometer. Now dipole is suppose placed in this way, plus Q charge. Here this is a minus 2, here it is a plus 2. Minus 2 is towards positive plate, plus 2 is towards negative plate. Dipole will not move because negative charge is attracted by positive. So this situation is known as a stable equilibrium. We call this thing as a stable. But if dipole is placed in this way, plus 2 charge is here and minus 2 charge is here, this plus and plus will repel. So it is called as unstable equilibrium. Unstable. So whenever it is a stable equilibrium, minus charge is towards plus plate, positive plate, and plus charge is towards minus plate. This is called as stable equilibrium. Now, let us consider. First, we will talk about torque on the dipole when it is placed in uniform field. Take a dipole, it is a plus 2 here, minus 2 here, it is point A, this is point B, this is O, this is L. I join it is here. At point A, plus Q charge is there. Therefore, force at A is equal to Q into E. Similarly, at point B, force is equal to minus QE. There are two equal and opposite forces acting on this one. It will not produce any force, but it will produce torque. Torque rotate the dipole. So torque is equal to 1 force into perpendicular distance. Torque is equal to 1 force into perpendicular distance. 1 force is equal to Q into E. Perpendicular distance is BC. So this BC is nothing but it is a 2L, or it is AC into sin theta, which is equal to QE. 2L sin theta. We know that E 2LQ sin theta. Therefore, this becomes P sin theta, or which is equal to PE sin theta. You see that torque is vector. This one E is vector and P is vector. Therefore, torque is equal to P cross E. torque is nothing but it's a vector product of P cross E. So this is the torque acting on dipole when it is placed in uniform electric field E. Let us talk about potential energy. This was a torque. Now we can talk about potential energy. What is the potential energy? This torque is equal to Pe sin theta. So this rotates the dipole. Now we are applying external torque, co-external, in such a way that both of them are equal and opposite. This external torque make total torque on dipole 0 and therefore it will turn without any acceleration. So whenever it is rotated, here W is equal to integration torque d theta. It goes from theta 0 to theta. So external torque, opposite torque, we are keeping it Pe sin theta d theta. It's opposite when we are taking it as theta 0. This torque is coming as opposite one. So integration of this one is coming as minus Pe cos theta 0 to theta, which is equal to minus Pe in the bracket cos theta 0 minus cos theta. I can change this one is theta, or theta 0 is lower limit, this theta 0 is lower limit. I can change it. This is stored as a potential energy, cos theta 0 minus cos theta. We have a choice. We can select potential energy 0 at any point. Therefore, if I take this theta 0 as pi by 2, then cos pi by 2 is equal to 0. U becomes minus Pe cos theta, which is equal to minus P dot E. This is the expression for potential energy of dipole when it is placed in uniform electric field E. Now, it's a problem given 2.5. Then the problem 2.5. Let us read the problem. A molecule of a substance has a permanent electric dipole moment of magnitude 10 raised to power minus 29 coulomb. A mole of this substance is polarized at low temperature by applying a strong electrostatic field of magnitude 10 raised to power 6 volt per meter. The direction of the field is suddenly changed by an angle 60 degree. Estimate the heat released by the substance in aligning its dipole along the new direction of the field. For simplicity, assume 100% polarization of the sample. We know that one molecule has a dipole 10 raised to power 29. 1 mole is equal to 6 into 10 raised to power 23 molecules. So P for mole is equal to 6 into 10 raised to 23 minus 29, 6 into 10 raised to power minus 6 kilometer. Now, energy UT, U1 is equal to minus PE cos theta. Theta is equal to 0, which gives you U1 is equal to PE, which is 6 into 10 raised to power 6, 6 into 6, it is minus 6 joule. U1 is equal to minus 6 joule. U2 is equal to minus PE cos of 60. It is rotated, which becomes minus 6 into half, minus 3 joule. Delta U is equal to U2 minus U1 minus 3 minus minus 6, which is equal to, it's a 3 joule energy is converted into heat of the substance when it is aligning 60 degree